smell like mints. What have you guys been up to?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday. I still got my bike in the shop, so I got the shop bike out today. Let's go for a ride.
Yeah, nigga. Thug life. From now to for motherfucking ever. Have knots in this motherfucker. Yeah. Thugs for life, nigga. Can't you read the signs? Say fuck you doing? Tell them. Gang, thicker than most of these tricks. I got my mind on making money, but you stuck on these fake bitches. And jealous motherfuckers can't see that it's the fame that cost these stupid bitches past the pussy free. So tell me why you sweat a motherfucker like me, a young nigga trying to hustle up some G's. You pussy ass player hating hoes, speaking down on niggas, jumping around at the shows. And you the first motherfucker to jump to the trunk when it's time for funk. Little trick ass punk. Thug motherfuckers don't die, we get high, we multiply, motherfucker. And even thug motherfuckers wanna have fun. Stuck it, bucking my motherfucking magnum. What does it take to be a G? Silence is a must, violence is a plus. Bust, shots at my adversaries, them niggas scary, but it's time to be buried, cause I be bucking in the fucking hurry. Bump the light, high till I die, shooting crooked ass cops, let me fry.
But don't trip, gives my dough to no foe. That's how it is and that's how it goes. Act like you know when I creep real slow, giving love to them players that I know is real G's.
Fuck y'all, hey, fuck the judge, fuck the motherfucking district attorney, the prosecutor, and fuck you motherfuckers in the jury box.
Okay, guys, we're at Jericho Beach. We're gonna have a little tequila. Is it tequila? What the fuck is that? Tequila. We're gonna have some tequila.
Oh yeah.
Saturday night. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, buddy. Health and happiness.
Woo! Check this out, guys. Look at this. It's like electric surfboard right here.
So this is basically an e-bike conversion kit,
E-bike, but
with a turbine or an electric motor.
Well, it has a converter and it actually needs water to cool it. It gets that hot.
Oh, cool.
See, there's actually a little.
Oh yeah, inlet.
Yeah, that's the outlet. The inlet's in there.
I was gonna say,
So cool.
So this is the battery here. That's the battery.
and that's even further waterproof.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like the skateboard button.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got the nice connectors.
That's the three.
Oh, the
phase
water
leads.
cooler.
That's the phase leads there.
Oh,
And then the water cooler.
Yeah, look, it's just a three-phase motor, man. That's crazy.
I'm surprised they didn't cool the battery too.
So the voltage on this thing is it's 2.0.
That is by watts.
Well, it does say 2.1 kilowatts, so it's 2,000 watts basically.
48 volt.
Oh, sick.
48 volt.
Oh, interesting.
There you go. Yeah, sign up for a lesson.
How much are they?
Well, lesson's $250, but you can apply it to the purchase of the board if you want to buy one. $250.
And how much is the board?
What's that?
How much is the board?
$12,000.
So if I gave you 250, you'd just take me out and we would just.
That's what this guy.
For how long?
As long as the battery lasts.
Oh, okay.
And the battery lasts like how good you are. If you can get up on foil,
Yeah,
like a
And you're-
battery for me will last like almost 2.5 hours.
because you're fishing.
Yeah, I'm efficient with
Yeah,
it. It's up
yeah.
on foil. This guy here, you're an hour and a half out of it.
Yeah, yeah.
But you still get a good session. By the time the battery's dead, you're gonna say, oh, I've had enough. Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
Whoa.
There you go. There you go.
I love it. I love everything about it.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's like
He's getting the hang of it. That's for sure.
that's
starting to.
so now, see, from there he's got to go to a crouch now, one knee.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then,
I could try that.
Hey, oh, wipe out.
We could go in the water with you.
Yeah.
well,
Ours are close to the same price, actually.
are they?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's cruise to another spot.
Oh yeah, let's take a trip. Just sit back and light a split with this and don't slip on a funky dope track. Jump back, strapped with a fat Buddha sack and a 7/8 black on clean. Gangsta lean, I got green, but I serve dubs like it ain't no thing. I hang with OG players, don't set trips or you might get what we call a rat pack. I don't slack when it come to street. I kick real G-funk to a gangsta beat. It's so sweet when you got money to spend. I got a proper big tilt and a fly big fence. I make ends, spend my dough on no foe. That's how it is and that's how it goes. Act like you know when I creep real slow, giving love to them players that I know is real G.
Shots at my adversaries, them niggas scary, but it's time to be worried, cause I be fucking in the fucking hurry. Fuck for life, high till I die, shooting crooked ass cops, let me fly.
But don't trip, gives my dough to no foe. That's how it is and that's how it goes. Act like you know when I creep real slow, giving love to them players that I know is real G.
And fuck you motherfuckers in the jury box. Fuck all y'all, cause I'm out on motherfucking bail. Y'all ain't never gonna see me in this motherfucker again. Drop that shit, LG. Let these old punk ass bitches know how we running this shit for the 9-4. Niggas ain't going back to court, you stank ass bitches.
Tell me, baby, what's your frequency? You see you making proposals full of verbal indecency. When you meet me, flashlight and buzz. Wasn't writing like guns, got 3 strikes, you got last nights for thugs. Over my position, my competition is never ready. Look like I'm the chef, my alias Machiavelli. So what they tell me through the grapevine. Niggas ain't trying to see me pay, they'd rather take my retaliation, takes time. Create violence and so folks at the baseline.
Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog now. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Turn around, the bitches get it, it's West Coast. West side outlaws till we die, thug like motherfuckers on the
Fuck for
block.
life, thug for life. High till I die, with these stupid ass bitches ass. Why? Tell them fuck for life. High till I die, shooting crooked ass cops, let me fly.
But don't trip, gives my dough to no foe. That's how it is and that's how it goes. Act like you know when I creep real slow, giving love to them players that I know is real G.